Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So guys, it has been a while since I uploaded a video, so I'm really sorry guys. It's just work and other things that involve, but not to worry, I'm back now to be showing you all that I've been keeping away from you guys. Now I will be uploading a video regularly for you guys to see. So I just want to appreciate all of you that continue to watch my video, sharing and liking my video. I really do appreciate you all guys. May God bless you. May God bless you for me in Jesus' name. So if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. In this channel, I do so many amazing things that you will love to learn. So just press the subscribing button and the notification bell so that you will not be missed out. Please help share my video, give the video a like, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and comment. Your opinion matters a lot. Thank you guys. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, this is the expression hair that we are going to be using. Yeah, I choose this expression hair because I don't really have time to be stretching out the hair. But if you want to use the other one, that is the regular one, you can still use it and stretch it out yourself. But for the sake of this video, I wanted to make this video fast, and I needed the hair to wear to one occasion, so I said let me use this, and it turns out so beautiful. So I will just lose it this way, then I will take the rubber band out. Then the next thing I will be doing now, yeah, this is the hair. It looks so nice, right? Then I will just be cutting the hair into two equal parts. So as you can see, I just cut the hair into two equal parts. Yeah, now I'm going to be taking into my sewing machine. So I will divide the hair into 4 places. Then make sure I comb and remove any one that is not good. Then I will just comb it, straight it up. Then I will place it on my sewing machine like this. I will just place it on my sewing machine. And for those of you that I see your comment that I did not reply, I'm really sorry for that. It's just that I was so over busy, but not to worry, I will respond to any comment at all that you are commenting. I'm really sorry for that. Please forgive your sister. Okay, so for those of you that ask me how do I set my machine, you know, her machine is different with a different setting, but my own setting, I use one. For the stitching, I use one, that is number 1. You can use 0. All machine is different, depends of how it's tight, and depends of how it can hold the hair. So that is it. So I've sewed the first one. So you have to stitch it like this 4 or 3 times, minimum 3 times, maximum 4 times, but I'm going to be stitching this 3 times. Then after stitching it, I'm going to fold it again, just like this. Please look closely. I will just fold it again like this. Then I will just fold it again like this. Then I will stitch. I will also stitch 3 times this way. After stitching the first one, I will stitch again just to make it 3. So that will secure the hair not to be falling out. I hope you understand how I explain it. Please, if you don't, anyone you don't understand, Please let me know if you will take me to make a tutorial of showing you step by step how I'm doing it. I will gladly do so. Okay, so but I believe if you watch closely you will get what I'm trying to explain. So I'm sew the first one, then I'm going to be stitching it again 2 times more. So as you can see, it's ready, guys. It's ready. Yes, you can fix it. If you don't want to put it in a wig, you can fix it on your hair this way. So this is all I got from the 2 packets that I cut. So it's enough and it's okay like this. Now let me show you how I will fix this on my hair. First, you will just take any spray, any hairspray, spray it around. This will make the hand secure and it will tighten the hand. So now I will take my wig cap. I will just place my wig cap like this. Then I will take a little bit of the net. I will just take a little bit of the net. So I'm going to be putting it on the center this way, but I changed my mind on this. I wanted to sew this around the cap, but I changed my mind, and then I use another wig cap because I've already sewed that net on top of that wig cap, but I changed my mind. I just only want the net on top of the hair. So I want the net on top of the hair. Then I change another wig cap. I just sew it around. Then I will cut it now. I will just cut it this way. I will cut it this way. Just be careful. Please leave a little chance so that you don't cut out the net. Then I'll pin all down. I will start stitching from the back. If you have a pin, always pin the head down before stitching so that it will be easier for you to run your needle on. I should have sewed this on the sewing machine, but I just wanted to show you guys how I sew it, that how you can also do it if you want it this way. But if you still want me to show you or how to sew your weavon with a sewing machine on a wig cap, then put it on the description, put it on the comment section and I will gladly do so. So as you can see, I'm almost at the top of the hair. I will just continue this way. I will just continue this way until I get to the top where the net is. Then I will come back to show you. So now I've got to the top where the net is. This is my last sewing. This is the last hair. I'm just sewing it this way. Yeah, this is the last one. Now I will show you how I clutch the rest hair. As you can see, it looks so natural and beautiful, guys. This is amazing and I love it. If you see this hair is so beautiful, guys. Oh, if you see it on without camera, I don't even know. It's so beautiful. So what you will just do, you will take two. You would I use five to six strands of the attachment. So then I will just be clutching it. I will just be clutching it on the hair, on the net. I will just be clutching it this way on the net. So this is how, just take 5 to 6 strands of the hair, but the last or second to the last line you will be using 3 or 2 strands of the hair so that it will look more natural. So that is how I continue. I can't wait for you to see the result, guys. I can't wait for you to see the result. The result was amazing. Please don't skip any so that you will not make mistakes, so that you understand everything that I have explained. so that you understand everything about it. Christmas is coming, no, Christmas is coming. If you don't have money to buy expensive wig, you can make a beautiful one for yourself and design it the way you want, the way you just love it. Don't, maybe you will order some now, you say, I don't like the way they do this. You can do it yourself and make it and change it anyhow you want, guys. Yes, and if you want me to do any video or any weavon that you want me to use expression to do, please leave it on the comment section, and as always, I will gladly do it for you. So I was talking about this last, or the second to the last. Make sure you are using a tiny one, so reduce your the strands of the hair. Maybe we are using 6 before, now you can use 3, you can use 4, you can use 3 on the last part on it. So guys, this is how it is. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, it looks so gorgeous. Now guys, as you see the line, did you see the line? It's so beautiful. Now I will be adding a hot water. Please guys, if you are doing this part, please be careful so you will not hot or pour the hot water on your body. So I will be changing this rubber. It was a little bit small. I was not comfortable with it, so I decided to change the rubber. As you can see the way I'm fighting with the rubber there, so I was not comfortable, so I need to be careful. Now I change the rubber, then I will just pour the hot water on the hair while I secure it with something so that the hot water will not get burned my hand. So that is it. And make sure that all the hair get inside hot water. This is it. After bringing it down, use your dryer, put it on the higher one, the most hot one you have. Use it to keep the hair smooth and straight as possible. Okay, so after the hair is straight, it has dried and is straight, then I just apply an oil. This is argan oil with other oil that was mixed for hair, for straight hair. So I just apply it on it like this, and it give it that beautiful shining, and it make the hair to straight more and gorgeous, guys. So I just change the this thing, then I use the one that I have, the door head, then I use the one that is more comfortable and that will make the beauty to come out. So guys, as you can see, please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, for more video is coming on the way. Okay, like I said before, if you want me to do any type of video, please let me know. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and help us to share to your friends and family. Help us to share this video out so that people will see. Thank you. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.